Hey friends, so it's the 29th of May and it's my mama's birthday. So we're gonna go out and do some shopping and go on a fun little adventure. It's my beautiful mommy's 57th birthday.
Hi there. I made her.
And we are going into Orangeville to have some lunch and Pia's, which is like a really nice sandwich and like salad place.
And we are going to have half a sandwich each with Pia's kale and chickpea and caper salad. Delicious.
Well, that's what she's having. I don't know what I'm having.
She's probably having this.
No, I'm not.
My birthday.
And yeah, and then I think we're gonna do some errands. I think she's gonna get her nails done. And I think I'm gonna go pick up some groceries to make a nice meal.
I figured it was probably going to be a write-off, you know, possibly a write-off. So,
Not me.
Lunch, we're gonna just walk around the stores and peek inside. Pretty historic Orangeville. And then my mom's gonna go get her nails done, which is exciting. And I need mine done, but I'm gonna wait till next week. You wanna go in here?
Yeah, I like it.
This place is really cute. It's got little Look at these vintage knobs.
I know, they're beautiful.
Cute. I was saying I like these. Cute. What would you put that over?
I don't know. I just have it out to look at.
It's really pretty. How much is it?
This one.
Mom, you're dating yourself.
It's in such good condition. Yeah.
On your birthday, you're talking about having like one of the oldest looking toasters I've ever seen in my life.
But isn't it cute?
It is cute. And look at these. I love that. Those speckled blue pots. So cute. I want to see it. Our dad loves border collies. How cute.
They've got a lot of cute cards.
Me. Literally me.
See something you think you might like.
Who, Dad?
Yeah.
This little garden store here is so cute inside. And they always, like I always bring Evie in and they always love it.
That's very cute, eh?
Yeah. They've got really nice plants.
Oh, look at these dahlias.
Like you, Mama. Okay, wait, Mom. This is one of my favorite, like, secondhand stores. And I'm gonna take you in. It's great. Like, look at these pants right when you walk in. They're Zara, but they're so cute.
And they're
I should see if they have any dresses. I'm coming, I'm coming. No, I don't like it.
Yellow's cute though.
It is, but I don't think it would fit me. It's cute though, it looks like vintage. Look at these dresses here. Oh, that's cute too. I like that.
Why don't you try it? It is vintage. It's got the old Orangeville.
Yeah. I'm looking for grad dress because I have 2 graduations, so I've already gotten 1 dress. And I was just gonna wear something that I already have, but if I find something that's not super expensive, then I would do that too. Tribal. How cute those are with this. That's super cute. Did we do some damage, Mom? Is that a queen plate? Mm-hmm. That's me. Cool. Yeah. No. So that store there is a consignment store, and it only goes to the hospital, right? So all the money goes to the hospital, and they just always have really good prices. So I got that H&M dress. I found it in the change room, in my size, which is crazy. And it was $5, which is like a steal, because I had nothing wrong with it. And then I found that little shirt, blouse, yeah, and it's kind of a rodeo style, very 80s. And that was $3 because it was in the sales section. And it's such a steal. And then I also got a straw like purse, which is super trendy right now. And it's only $10. So
it's gonna go so nice.
Oh, let's go. Let me see your nails. Wow, Mom, they look like you didn't get them done.
No, but they look nice, eh?
They do look nice. So, Mommy just got her nails done. And now we are going to Winners because she has to return her hair curler.
I think anyone cares.
Yeah, people care. And then we're gonna go get the food for dinner, and then we're gonna go home. It's gonna be great. Seriously, like this is the best Winners because everyone says that Winners is always overpicked, it's always like messy, it's always like not good product. This Winners is the exception. It is always clean, it is always like organized, and there's always tons of stuff, tons. So we're gonna go in. Look at this bag, oh, it's so cute. Okay, look at how cute this bag is. It's like massive. It's like cute. And then it's also got this strap here. So you can like wear it like that. Cute. It's gonna be. We're leaving Winners empty-handed. But that's okay because sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. And that's all that matters, right, Mom?
Right.
Is that every now and then you win.
Almost every time we win.
We really do. Honestly, I think now it's more self-control than anything. I tried on a yellow dress because I have 2 convocations next week and I have like one outfit completely ready and I'm excited about it. But
Well,
the
to be
second
honest, that
one,
guest dress is beautiful.
it is. It really is. It's just a matter of like
Stunning.
trying it on and figuring out what shoes to wear and like what to do with my hair because like the other one it's all figured out. I think I'm gonna do either I'm gonna curl my hair or I'm gonna straighten it, one or the other.
I think you should go straight.
I think so too, just because it's got like ruffles on the chest area. So I think I'm gonna do straight hair and then I've got these really cool earrings and then what else? And then yellow shoes. That's like the key. I have yellow shoes. They're gorgeous. I'm so excited to wear them. Anyway, there's this Italian tradition. Mom will explain it. When people graduate.
Yes, when people graduate.
From post-secondary, right?
From post-secondary, so from a university. It's called a laurea. And a laurea, you give a, they wear the laurel leaves. The baccalaureate. So that's where the laureate comes from, the plants. And I guess that they create a crown that they wear when they graduate.
It's basically like a flower crown, but it's just all green leaves. And it's really, really pretty. And if you search up like Italian graduation, you'll probably be able to find people wearing them. But my mom wants to do it because we're Italian and I'm graduating from 2 schools, so we'll be able to use it, I think both probably. And yeah, so we're gonna go ask and see if how much it's gonna cost to make it, because if it's too much then we're not gonna do it, but if it's a good deal then we will, which is exciting because I think it'll be super cute and like everyone else will be kind of like, what the fuck, but it'll be nice, you know? For extra. Perfect.
To you, happy birthday, dear Papa.